接下来又要回到一个森林里的故事了呢。
在阳光明媚的森林里，
午睡时间到了，
所有动物都睡得很熟，
除了大象，它一直在打嗝。
所以所有的大象的朋友们都帮他出主意，想要帮他停止打嗝。
那就让我们一起来看看4B 实语班带来的 Hiccups for Elephant
大象打嗝。
What should I do? Monkey woke up. Oh. Don't worry, Elephant. I know how to help you. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Okay. Elephant, get it a try. Come on. It's only making easy. Oh no. I can't stop hiccups. What should I do? Lion woke up. Don't worry, Elephant. I know how to help you. Drink lots of water very, very fast. Okay. Elephant get it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Oh no! I can't stop hiccups. What should I do? Zebra woke up. Don't worry, Elephant. I know how to help you. Hold your breath